Hanpu Electric Shear Wrench S-30LP is a special tool for tightening high-strength torsion shear bolts. It is a best-selling electric shear wrench. It uses high-quality raw materials and adopts special manufacturing and heat treatment processes. Therefore, this TC bolt wrench is strong and durable, which can reduce the labor intensity of the constructor. Each wrench will undergo a rigorous bolt test experiment before delivery. Our wrenches are favored in Europe, America and many other countries.